Hello and welcome to the TMC Newsroom. My name is Rich Tehrani. Thanks for watching us today. We're in Silicon Valley all week speaking with some of the best and brightest companies out here in California, and on our program is Ittai Bareket. He is the CEO of Netformx. Ittai, how are you?
Very good, thank you.
So why don't we start at the top? Tell me a little bit about what your company does.
Thank you, Rich. So Netformx is all about enabling service providers, integrators, manufacturers of telecom solutions and equipment to win more business. The way we enable them is through a software package to help the pre-sales organization capture requirements, the enterprise requirements quickly, and then convert those to deployable solutions.
So in terms of the market in the last few years, what have you seen in terms of changes? Have there been any?
Yeah, that's quite interesting for us because we automate the very complex sales process for networking equipment and complex solutions like MPLS, SIP trunking, and so forth. So we enable our users to generate proposals to their enterprise customers faster, more accurately, and predict the business a little bit better and win more deals. So usually, actually, automation is required when the market is down, right? When you need to do more with fewer people. On the other hand, we also find automation is required when you're hiring more people and you're accelerating. So we find that in the past few years, actually, it's been a good market for Netformx.
That's great. And have you found that your customers have higher levels of complexity in the products that they're selling? You mentioned SIP trunking, MPLS, with SLAs and things like that. Does it make it more complicated?
Yes, that's a great question. Actually, when one would think it may be more simplified, because, for example, moving to cloud offerings and so forth, we actually find that the enterprise requirements are becoming more complex and the deployment models are becoming more complex. So when you look at deploying internet telephony or video over IP as an example, we find some enterprises want a portion be deployed in the cloud, some may be in a private cloud, some might be in premise. Typically there would be some equipment that goes with that. So generating a single proposal that covers all of those different deployment models could be very complex because of the interdependencies between all those options.
So cloud is obviously a hot space. How is that affecting your business?
So it's affecting it positively. We're seeing on one hand data center design, which are increasing, so more data centers are being built. So we have some of our customers using our product to build the data center itself. And then the ability to sell these services within the data center. So I mentioned MPLS before. MPLS is a service running on the existing infrastructure. Just as well, cloud solutions are a service running on a data center infrastructure. Right. So from that perspective, we're seeing that as another offering in our tool that enables service providers or other integrators that maintain their data center to be able to sell more solutions and more complex offerings within the cloud.
Now, your company is focusing on what areas of the globe? Are you primarily U.S.?
So most of our business right now is in North America, but we are expanding globally. So we do actually transact in, I believe, 60 or so countries. Today, though, the focus was North American focus. We are now expanding globally, Australia, Europe, and Asia Pac as well.
So if I'm a potential customer of yours, could you just give me a quick overview on why I should pick up the phone and call or email right now to learn more about your offerings?
Right. So right now, if you're trying to generate a proposal to adhere to an enterprise requirement, let's say a bank or an insurance company, you may need to pull information from different manufacturers like Cisco, HP, Plantronics, APC, depending on the equipment you're selling, and then add your own services to the mix. So most of our customers end up using 14 different applications to generate one proposal. Right. So when they come to us, they can generate the proposal with one application because we have configuration and proposal generation engines, but we also maintain a multi-vendor knowledge base. So we have a catalog of all the Cisco, HP, Juniper, and many other vendors, so you can come to a one-stop shop and be able to generate the proposal right there.
So final question is, what's next?
So we're expanding as the market expands, so we're expanding into cloud and into data center. We're also looking at, we're really focused right now on the pre-deployment and the pre-sale side. So we're looking at utilizing our assets to some expanding to the network niches of network monitoring and network management as well. So provide a more comprehensive solution to our customers.
Fantastic. Thanks for being on the program.
Thank you.